Ever wondered what Vietnamese cuisine offers beyond pho? Welcome to a delectable journey into the heart of Vietnamese food culture, where we'll be unraveling the rich tapestry of this Southeast Asian culinary gem. I'm your host, ready to guide you through the bustling streets of Vietnam, from the fragrant markets brimming with fresh ingredients to the bustling food stalls where culinary magic happens. We'll be feasting on regional specialties, each with a unique story to tell, and venturing off the beaten path to uncover dishes that may surprise even the most seasoned food explorers. This is not just about food, it's about understanding the culture, the people, and the traditions that breathe life into every dish. So, strap in and prepare your taste buds for a tantalizing voyage of discovery. Get ready for a mouth-watering journey through regional specialties and lesser-known dishes that define the rich tapestry of Vietnamese cuisine. Vietnam's diverse geography and cultural heritage give rise to a plethora of regional cuisines, each with its own unique flavors and ingredients. The country's culinary landscape is as varied as its topography, painted with flavors from the fertile Mekong Delta in the south to the rugged mountains of the north. Let's begin our journey in the bustling city of Hanoi, the heart of northern Vietnam. Here, the dishes are often less spicy than their southern counterparts, with a focus on the natural flavors of the ingredients. A prime example is Bún Chả, a Hanoi specialty that comprises grilled pork patties and noodles, served with a side of fresh herbs and a tangy dipping sauce. The magic of Bún Chả lies in its simplicity. The rich, smoky flavor of the grilled pork harmoniously blends with the lightness of the rice noodles and the freshness of the herbs. Moving down the map, we arrive at the central region, home to the ancient town of Hoi An. Hoi An is renowned for its chao lao, a dish that can be found nowhere else in the world. Cao lao consists of thick rice noodles, succulent slices of pork, and crispy croutons topped with fresh herbs and bean sprouts. The secret to this dish lies in the water used to make the noodles, which is sourced from a specific well in the town, giving the dish its unique, elusive flavor. Finally, we reach the southern region, known for its fertile Mekong Delta. Here, the cuisine is characterized by its sweetness and abundance of fresh ingredients. Bánh Xèo, or Vietnamese crepes, are a popular dish in this region. These golden yellow crepes, made from rice flour and turmeric, are filled with succulent shrimp, pork, and bean sprouts, and are served with a side of fresh herbs and a sweet and tangy dipping sauce. The crunch of the crepe, combined with the freshness of the fillings, creates a delightful symphony of textures and flavors. As we traverse from one region to another, we find that each has its own unique cooking style, influenced by the local climate, geography, and culture. The north, with its cooler climate, leans towards simpler, heartier dishes, while the warmer south, with its abundance of fresh produce, favors lighter, more vibrant flavors. The central region, on the other hand, is a melting pot of influences, resulting in dishes that are complex and layered with flavors. The beauty of Vietnamese cuisine lies not just in the diversity of its dishes, but also in the stories behind them. Each dish is a reflection of the region's history, culture, and way of life. A bowl of Bún Chả, for instance, tells the story of Hanoi's street food culture, while a plate of cao lao transports you to the ancient town of Hoi An. And a serving of Bánh Xèo is a testament to the bounty of the Mekong Delta. From the fertile Mekong Delta in the south to the rugged mountains of the north, we've uncovered some of Vietnam's most tantalizing regional delights. These dishes, in their diversity and complexity, capture the essence of Vietnamese cuisine, a cuisine that is steeped in tradition, yet constantly evolving, and always, always delicious. So whether you're a food enthusiast or a casual diner, there's a Vietnamese dish waiting to delight your palate. All you need to do is take the first bite. While pho may be Vietnam's most famous export, there's a world of lesser-known gems waiting to be discovered. Let's embark on a journey off the well-trodden path, where we'll unearth hidden culinary treasures that are sure to surprise even the most seasoned food enthusiasts. First up, we have bánh quán, a dish that hails from northern Vietnam. These are delicate steamed rice rolls filled with a savory blend of ground pork and wood ear mushrooms. The magic of bánh quán lies in its simplicity. Despite being light and almost translucent, these rolls pack a punch of flavor that is contrasted beautifully by the accompanying sweet and tangy fish sauce. The process of making these delicate rolls is an art form in itself, requiring skillful hands and a keen eye. Next, let's dive into the vibrant world of cha ca, a dish beloved in the city of Hanoi. This isn't just a dish, it's a culinary experience that brings together grilled fish, a heap of fresh dill, and a generous sprinkle of turmeric. The result is a fragrant and visually stunning dish that is typically served over a bed of rice noodles, with a side of fermented shrimp paste for an extra kick. Cha ta is more than just food. It's a celebration of Vietnam's rich culinary heritage and the communal spirit of its people. As we venture further south, we encounter Bún Bo Hue, a spicy beef noodle soup that originates from the city of Hue. This dish is a symphony of flavors and textures, combining tender slices of beef, thick rice noodles, and a broth that is both spicy and tangy, with a hint of lemongrass. Named after the ancient imperial city, Bún Bo Hue is a testament to the region's complex history and cultural diversity. But these dishes are more than just delicious treats for the palate. They are a reflection of Vietnam's rich cultural tapestry, each with a story to tell. The bánh quoc, for example, is often enjoyed as a breakfast staple, showcasing the Vietnamese love for starting the day with something light yet satisfying. Cha cha, on the other hand, is often associated with family gatherings and celebrations, embodying the Vietnamese tradition of communal dining. And Bún Bo Hue, with its complex flavors and textures, is a tribute to the city's royal past and the blending of different culinary influences over the centuries. As we delve into these lesser-known dishes, we also delve into the heart of Vietnam's culinary tradition, a tradition that values fresh ingredients, intricate preparation methods, and most importantly, a balance of flavors. It's a tradition that sees food as more than just sustenance, but as a way of bringing people together and celebrating life's simple pleasures. So the next time you find yourself yearning for a taste of Vietnam, remember that there's a world beyond pho waiting to be discovered. From the delicate bánh quoc and the vibrant cha ca to the hearty Bún Bo Hue, there's a dish for every palate and every occasion. These hidden culinary treasures may surprise even the most seasoned food enthusiasts. So, let's continue this mouth-watering journey, and who knows, we might just find your new favorite dish among these lesser-known gems of Vietnamese cuisine. No journey through Vietnamese cuisine would be complete without a hands-on cooking experience. Today, we're blessed to be in the company of an expert, chef, who will guide us through the intricacies of making a classic Vietnamese dish. So let's roll up our sleeves and get cooking, shall we? Today we're going to make a dish that's a favorite in Vietnamese households and street food stalls alike, the iconic bánh mì, a sandwich that perfectly encapsulates the fusion of Vietnamese and French flavors. Now, if you're thinking this is just another sandwich, hold that thought. The bánh mì is a culinary marvel, a symphony of flavors and textures, and a testament to the ingenuity of Vietnamese cooks. First, we start with the bread. Contrary to the dense, chewy loaves you might associate with French baguettes, the Vietnamese version is light, crispy, and airy on the inside. It's a delicate balance that requires just the right amount of flour, water, yeast, and a touch of rice flour for that signature lightness. Next, we move on to the fillings. This is where the bánh mì truly shines, with a riot of textures and flavors. We have thinly sliced pork, marinated in a blend of soy sauce, fish sauce, sugar, and a medley of spices. To this, we add crisp, pickled daikon and carrots, fresh cucumber slices, and a handful of vibrant aromatic cilantro. The result? A sandwich that sings with flavor. Every bite a celebration of sweet, sour, salty, and umami notes. But we're not done yet. No bánh mì would be complete without pâté and mayonnaise. The pâté, a nod to Vietnam's French colonial past, adds a rich, meaty depth, while the mayonnaise lends a creamy contrast to the tangy pickles and robust meats. And for those who love a bit of heat, a dash of chili sauce is the perfect finishing touch. Watching Chef deftly assemble the bánh mì, it's clear that this is more than just a sandwich. It's a story of cultural exchange, of adaptation and innovation, of making do with what's available and turning it into something extraordinary. It's a testament to the Vietnamese spirit, resourceful, resilient, and endlessly creative. As we take a bite of the finished bánh mì, the harmony of flavors is a revelation. The crunch of the bread, the tang of the pickles, the richness of the pâté, the freshness of the herbs, it all comes together in a crescendo of culinary delight. This, my friends, is the magic of Vietnamese cuisine. And that's how you make a classic Vietnamese dish. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a culinary novice, I hope this cooking demonstration has inspired you to explore the rich and diverse world of Vietnamese cuisine. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. And in cooking, every journey is an adventure. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep tasting. Until next time. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the tranquil countryside of the Mekong Delta, Vietnamese cuisine is a celebration of flavors, textures, and traditions. Our culinary journey today has taken us through the vibrant tapestry of Vietnam, weaving a story of food that is as diverse as it is delicious. We began with the regional delights, each unique and distinct, shaped by the local geography and cultural heritage. We tasted the savory Bún Chả from Hanoi, the unique Cao Lao from Hoi An, and the crispy Bánh Xèo from the Mekong Delta. Each dish, a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of the Vietnamese people, using locally sourced ingredients to create culinary masterpieces. Venturing off the beaten path, we discovered the lesser-known gems of Vietnamese cuisine. Dishes like the delicate bánh cuon, the flavorful cha ca, and the fiery bun bo hue. These dishes may not be as famous as pho, but they each hold a special place in the hearts of the Vietnamese people and are an integral part of the culinary landscape. And who could forget our hands-on cooking experience with Chef? We learned how to prepare a classic Vietnamese dish, gaining insights into the techniques and ingredients that make Vietnamese cuisine so unique and captivating. But our journey doesn't end here. Vietnamese cuisine is rich and diverse, with countless dishes waiting to be discovered. So let this be the start of your own culinary adventure. Seek out your local Vietnamese restaurant, or better yet, try your hand at cooking one of these delightful dishes at home. Let your palate be your guide as you explore the wonderful world of Vietnamese cuisine. Remember, food is a universal language that brings people together. It's a way to connect with different cultures and experiences. So, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Until next time, bon appétit, or as we say in Vietnam, chúc ngon miệng.